how to fix Valorant connection error code VAN1067. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Valorant connection error code VAN1067 on your Windows PC. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important details. Like and subscribe. Search for CMD. Right-click on it and choose Run as administrator. Once the command prompt opens, enter the following two commands one by one. Type ipconfig/flushdns and press enter. After that, type netch winsock reset and press enter again. After running those commands, close the window. Now search for Windows Update and open it. Click check for updates, and if there are any available, install them. This often fixes bugs and compatibility issues. Next, search for services and open the app. Scroll down or press V to locate VGC. Right-click it, go to Properties, set the startup type to automatic, click Start, then Apply and OK. Once that's done, restart your computer and the error should be resolved. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.